Sometimes we come across a beautiful website and we would love to have the exact same website. Now, if we only use WordPress, then we would need to know if the website was designed using WordPress, and if yes, what WordPress theme does the website use. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can find out if a website was designed using WordPress and what theme it uses. And you would want to stick to the very end, because the very last method I share actually is my personal favorite. It does not require any third-party tools, which means that if any of the tools is discontinued in the future, then you can still do these checks without relying on any tool. So with all of that out of the way, let's dive right into it. Now, the first tool we're going to use is WP Beginner's WordPress Theme Detector. Now, this is a very simple tool to use. Both of them actually are really simple. They're basic websites that just gives you a space to type in the URL of the website that you found and love the theme, and then to see if they are WordPress based and what theme they use. Now you can see I've pulled up 2 websites here, Sony Music and Katy Perry's website, and the reason I've done this is these are 2 big brands that are rumored to be designed on WordPress, and I decided to do 2 checks, kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Find out if these websites for real are actually designed with WordPress. For those of you who do not believe that WordPress can actually host big brands, or because of security issues or whatever, yeah, let's go. So let's try Sony Music. I'm going to take that URL and then put it in here and click on the Analyze website. It's going to take a bit, and you can see that it's a WordPress based website, and the theme it uses is Sony Music theme. Yeah, let's do the same for Katy Perry, but we're going to use a different tool, and it's called isitwp.com. Same idea. You enter the URL and then Analyze website, and it's going to tell you whether or not it's WordPress based. And yeah, good news, the website is using WordPress. So these 2 websites are actually using WordPress. But the only thing now is the theme that this site uses does not exist in our database. Sometimes we might not be able to find the theme, and that's why the third method actually is my personal favorite. It does not require any of these tools, and it will almost always tell you what theme it uses. And this method actually requires us to pull up the source code of the website. So we go to the website that we found, and then we're going to right click and then go to the page source. Don't get put off by all of this code. We just want to find some simple line of code that's going to tell us whether or not this is a WordPress based website. So if you're on Windows, just hold down the Control button and then F to pull up the find bar. Once you have this, type in wp-content/theme. Now this is going to find everywhere we have this in this particular source code, wp-content/theme. If you do not find this, then it means that this is not a WordPress based website. But if you do find it, then the next line, the next thing after the themes, that's after themes / the next thing you find is actually going to be the theme that this website uses. You can see it uses UMG Grand Royal theme. So these are the 3 simple ways that you can find out if a website was designed using WordPress and what theme it uses. If you've learned something from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so that you get notified when next I post a video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.